So use the properties dialog boxes or shortcut menus to configure how controls, constants, and indicators and numeric functions behave. We can use the properties dialog boxes when we want to configure a constant, control, indicator, or numeric function using a dialog box that includes context help and in which we can set several properties at the same time for an object. We can use the shortcut menus to quickly configure common, constant, control, indicator, and function properties. The options available in the properties dialog box and shortcut menus differ for different objects. For example, for numerics we have representation. For booleans we have mechanical actions, etc. And these are not available for these functions. Most options we set using a shortcut menu are reflected in the properties dialog box, and most options we set using the properties dialog box are reflected in the shortcut menu. For example, if you right click a boolean, you will find the mechanical action there, but if you invoke the properties dialog box, you would see the same functionality available in the properties dialog box as well. So right click a constant, control, indicator, or a numeric function and select properties from the shortcut menu to display the properties dialog box for that object. We cannot display property dialog boxes while a VI runs. If the VI is running, then right clicking does not display anything. To perform a common operation on multiple objects simultaneously, we can select the objects and then we can use the shortcut menu or the properties dialog box. So we can also create custom control or indicators to extend the available set of front panel objects. We can right click the control and then go to advanced and then select customize from the shortcut menu to customize a control or indicator. We can save the control or indicator that we created in a folder or a library and then we can use this custom control or indicator on other front panels. If I create a new VI, then I can go to select a control, then browse to the folder where the custom control had been saved, select it and then place it.